I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Almost an hour ago, a ball was dropped in Times Square for New Year's Day, until it started to explode and caused the fire to erupt. However, the explosion is not large enough, but all residents are strongly advised to remain away from the fire so the firefighters will put out a fire. Remain away from the fire. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
Feel me like a Hellcat.